Recipe for Brigadeiros, which I'm going to call chocolate balls, little small chocolate balls. It's a traditional recipe from Brazil. Okay, so traditional food, traditional dessert. Ingredients: 1 can of condensed milk, 1 package of milk cream, 1 spoon of butter, and 3 spoons of powdered chocolate. Little small cups, plastic cups. You're going to need little small plastic cups. Preparing mode. You put all together the condensed milk, the butter, and the powdered chocolate in a pan. You turn on the stove, average temperature. So let's say your stove would go up to 9, probably 6. You mix it all together, okay, and you blend it. So you're mixing very well. When it starts boiling, those little bubbles starts boiling, you add up the milk cream. You keep on moving, keep on mixing, okay, blending. And then when it starts to get thick, you turn off the stove.